Welcome to episode number 44. My name is Nathan Ziegler, the upper school principal at Hope Academy.
And I am Tennille Ziegler, HR at Hope Academy, married to this guy.
So Mrs. Z, would you like to try a magic trick with me?
I will try a magic trick with you tonight, but I want to do a magic trick on you after this is done.
What are you talking about?
I have a magic trick. Do you accept it?
I guess.
High five it.
Deal.
Yes.
Okay, for this magic trick, show the audience the tube. And show them, this is not a beer bottle, it's Grant's Black Cherry Soda. So show them the cherry soda bottle. Okay, now put the bottle inside the tube and follow my directions very carefully.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. And show them the bottle. Oh, you're doing it wrong. It should be like that. Okay, so again, show them the bottle. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, show them the bottle. Oops, it's supposed to be like this. You're doing it wrong. Okay, so again, show them the bottle. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the bottle. Whoops, you're still doing it wrong. Okay, well, maybe you got it right. Alright, so what do you got planned?
I'll get it. Okay, for this trick today, we're gonna need 2 mugs and my 8-ounce can of Pepsi, my favorite. Okay, Nathan, we're gonna show them our mugs. And the can of Pepsi.
Really?
It's part of the trick. All right, I'm gonna pour half of this into my cup. And you pour the rest into your cup. Nice and fizzy. Oh, we forgot to do our shameless plug.
Oh, yes.
Of Minnesota Cold. So after this is all over, you can go and watch our Minnesota Cold movies.
Please do.
Please do. Okay, Nathan. Wait, Nathan.
Yes.
I have a joke for you.
Really?
Yes.
Is it a mom joke or a dad joke?
It's a pop joke.
Okay.
It's a soda joke. Okay. What do you call a person that can sing and drink soda at the same time?
I don't know what.
A pop singer.
Really?
Special guest with Mr. Z. Okay.
Really?
All right. Okay. Now for this trick, back to the trick. We're going to take our mugs.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I don't know. What are we gonna do?
We're going to take our mug.
All right.
We're going to put it on top of our heads like this.
Okay.
Yep. And on the count of 3, we're going to dump it over our heads.
Really?
Yeah. You ready?
And what's gonna happen?
Well, if you follow my directions, we'll find out. 1, 2, 3.
Tennille, what did you do?
You must not have. You must not have followed my directions very well.
Oh my goodness. Tennille. Oh. Gross. It didn't work.
This Day in History with Mr. Randall.
En el 21 de mayo 1920, el presidente de México fue asesinado. El presidente se llamaba Venustiano Carranza. Su amigo y general Álvaro Obregón lo traicionó. Carranza quería que el próximo presidente fuera un civil, pero Obregón quería que el próximo presidente fuera miembro de las Fuerzas Armadas. Obregón atacó la ciudad. Presidente Carranza intentó escaparse, pero los soldados lo encontró. Ellos lo asesinaron. ¡Qué barbaridad!
Wow, thanks a lot, Mrs. Z. Now I am sticky for the rest of the show. Where were we? All right, I've got some more of Vince Rosemariak's Indian Hills Community Center signs that they have on their feet. I really am sticky. My cheek is sticky. Sign. Okay, these are from his Facebook page, and I've got a couple more of those for you. My big shout out to my fingers. I can always count on them.
Oh, the tragedy.
Yes, the tragedy. Tried to grab the fog, I missed. Our mountains aren't just funny, they're hilarious. And whenever I try to eat healthy, a chocolate bar looks at me and snickers. Yesterday's riddle was, what has to be broken before you can use it? An egg. Today's riddle, what question can you never answer yes to?
It's quarantine with Wiggle.
Здорово. Ты их нашел. Где они были? Здесь в машине. Вот видишь?
По-русски.
Что я тебе говорил? Они там, где ты их оставил.
Kissly, I'm sorry that I'm a little bit of a mess for yours. I'm still gonna give it a go.
Hope seniors, they're all really nice. Hope seniors, gonna give you advice. Hope seniors, what they say should suffice. Hope seniors, seniors.
This is what Kissly says. Make sure to take chances. Do what you need to do and don't leave things until the last minute. You might regret it. And remember to appreciate the adults around you. They are there to help you, not to harm you. Lastly, do well in school, but also remember to take time for yourself. Thank you, Kissly. Have a wonderful day, everyone.